வேலவன் பின்றாங்க.
நிஜமாவே கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் சூப்பரா இருக்கு, அஃபோர்டபிளா இருக்கு. அடிக்கடி வாங்க. வேலவன் ஸ்டோர் மாஸ்.
வேலவன் ஸ்டோர்ஸ், உஸ்மான் ரோட், டி நகர், சென்னை மற்றும் தூத்துக்குடி.
With 5.63 lakhs power looms, the textile industry of Tamil Nadu is the second largest source of direct and indirect employment after agriculture. My constituency Karur in the state is popular worldwide for home textiles. The persistent increase in the price of cotton yarn by textiles mills owing to cotton price rise is threatening to affect the growth of the entire textile sector adversely. The textile manufacturing and exporting industries in Karur are preparing full swing for the annual International Textile Expo being organized next year from 11 to 14 January in Germany. Since around 90% of all the products manufactured in Karur is exported to foreign countries, the trade during the export depends essentially on foreign orders received. As a consequence of COVID-19, trade got severely affected in the last two expos. Even so, orders worth of 1,000 crores are expected to be received this year in Karur. However, the drastic increase in cotton yarn price is a matter of great concern for the textile manufacturers and exporters, as they might lose the confidence of their international buyers owing to their inability to service orders in the current situation. So I request the Honorable Minister of Textiles through USO, Ministry must take measures to control the cotton price rise and fix an upper cost for yarn so that the trade of manufacturers and exporters is not affected. Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you very much for giving this opportunity to raise some important issues connected with my Trichinopalli constituency regarding railways. Sir, the trains going through Kiranur railway station should be stopped there. Already stoppage was there. The Rameswaram and Pallavan, both are the trains going through the town, which is a taluk headquarters and town panchayat headquarters also. In and around, so many villages are there. So 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs people will be benefited. Now agitation is going on. They are insisting me also to come and sit with them to stop the train. And I will be get arrested. You have to save me from going to jail, sir. One minute, sir. So please give section to railway. Number one. Number two, there are 2 overbridges in Thiruvapur and Karuvaplan area. State government has allotted 50% cost they have to give. The Tamil Nadu government has sanctioned that amount of 50%. Please, these 2 bridges should be built there in Trichinopalli constituency near Pudukkottai, sir. Thank you.
Sir, one of the most regal, royal and majestic symbols of India is the elephant. Everybody universally loves it. In our Hindu faith, it manifests the Lord Ganesha or Gajanada. But unfortunately, 186 elephants have died in railway track accidents. So I urge through you, the Ministry of Environment and the Ministry of Railways to immediately set up a task force to ensure that these elephant deaths do not happen in the railway tracks. Even recently, 5 elephants died in the railway tracks between Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So they must immediately put together a task force. Perhaps even an expert from externally must be put there, and new technologies like RFID and honeybee buzzer devices must be implemented, and we must prevent it because this is a heritage of India, it is a symbol of India, and we owe it to the elephant that we protect it, and we cannot encroach upon their land and their passage and through modernization and kill them, sir. Thank you, sir.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் லைக் அண்ட் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம எங்க சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைபும் பண்ணுங்க.